We are at the booth of Jolywood, which is one of the leading backsheet supplier and also a module maker, which is exclusively focusing on N-type. So, can you please tell us what are the most important products you are promoting here at the show?
Okay, so for most important product for all Jolywood is our window-proof PV module and window-proof PV module encapsulation solution. And this is include steel frame and transparent right mesh backsheet and our G-top cons cells, and yes, that is the whole encapsulation solution. Also, compare all these solutions, we have window-proof module. Yes, and for this year, for our booth, we integrate our 4 business units: our solar cell, our PV module, our PV materials, and also including our application business unit. This is our backsheet samples, including as I just said, including the transparent right mesh backsheet. For this backsheet, its transparent rate reached to 93%. Also include the reflective fill. Yeah, reflective fill. Also, we have traditional backsheet. This is not the transparent backsheet, but its inner side is black and the outer side is white. And this can make the whole black PV modules, which is beautiful for the application, for the installation. Okay.